Hey everybody, how are you doing today? It's Michael from Tech for All, and we got another mystery box. Whoa, we've got here Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Hi Tech for All, drown out the noise and enjoy listening to your favorite music with the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Don't forget to tell us what you think. I do accept the challenge. Let's figure out how these buds are actually performing. Crafted to perfection, these are among the smallest earbuds capable of delivering that many great features. So let's get to know the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Now, the unboxing part was super nice. Inside, excellent use of the space, both aesthetically and functionally. Of course, we mostly care about the buds. We're unpacking here the Glacier Grey, and the overall design seems to be classy. Excellent texture for the material, not slippery at all. There are a few interesting spots on the buds. Here, the charging pins. Underneath the plastic, we've got capacitive sensing to achieve in-ear detection. So when you take the earbuds off, the music playback is gonna stop, and when you put them on, playback continues. Inside each of the buds there are 3 microphones, and we know well, in order ANC to work efficiently, there has to be a cool microphone setup in order to correctly capture noises. Before we discuss the audio qualities, some more specs. The drivers inside each are 9mm drivers, among the largest seen in earbud models so far. There's a 35 mAh battery in each of the buds, giving up to 6 hours playback time, a convenient case which with the recharges can make the listening time up to 28 hours, wireless charging for the case, fast charging for the buds, hybrid ANC with up to 35 decibel effectiveness, the mentioned triple microphone setup, dual device smart connectivity, adaptive ANC mode, and IPX4 water resistant. Specs, if you ask me, sound crazy good. But as we know, even the best hardware could be doomed by poor user experience, so let's check it out. Let's begin by examining the comfort level. Without any remarks. After a couple of hours, again, no issues, no pain or discomfort. As for sound, it's beyond what I expected. Looks like the larger drivers inside do their magic. You can hear excellent representation of the full sound spectrum with remarkable performance of the bass, which is not distorting even at the highest volume levels. Balance, dynamics, fidelity, they are really good, and I was happy with the way almost all music genres sound. So yeah, listening to my favorite music, especially with ANC on outdoors, was a superb experience. Also, I enjoyed the clarity during phone calls, especially knowing that these buds have superb quality of the microphones. Now, let us have a quick walkthrough with the controls. Here are the most important ones. The fancy-looking area here is actually supporting touch controls with remarkable precision. I generally am not a fan of touch-based setup because often there are accidental touches, especially when you adjust the unit inside the ear. Luckily, no sign of complications here, because the single tap is doing nothing. To start and pause playback or answer a call, you need to do a double tap. Triple tap is switching to the next song, and if you press and hold, that's going to switch between transparency mode and ANC mode. Transparency mode is the one where the microphones are relaying the sound from the outside, so that you can easily participate in conversation with someone without taking the earbuds off. If you switch ANC on, it's gonna effectively eliminate the noises around. Static sounds like subway, train and airplane, in my testing they were fully eliminated. Some occasional sounds like keyboard typing won't be fully neutralized, but will certainly be a lot quieter. Looks like most MIUI users are going to get further enhancements, and just look at this awesome control panel, even firmware updates are supported. Concerning battery life and charging, we get up to 6 real hours of playback time at moderate volume. This is a great achievement, and what is absolutely stunning is the fact that by charging for just 10 minutes, you will restore almost half of the battery capacity, which converts into close to 3 hours of playback time. Some sort of fast charging for Bluetooth earbuds. And on top of all that, this case is wireless charging enabled. Get any Qi charger and you're good to go, or if your phone supports reverse wireless charging, this is gonna work as well. Oh, and how about telling you about my favorite feature? Redmi Buds 3 Pro supports connectivity to 2 devices simultaneously. Yes, you can have them connected to your phone and computer both at the same time. You can listen to music from the PC and take a phone call in case somebody rings. Priceless! These buds are so cool that could be that I've missed something, but hey, I also want to let you discover your favorite features about them and make sure to share which they are in the comments below this video. Music is magic, and enjoying it in full quality by using so small yet super powerful and feature-charged earbuds is so satisfying. I hope that you, my dear friends, got a satisfying amount of info in this video as well. And since we put a lot of effort in creating these reviews for you, please make sure to support this by hitting the like button. It's Michael from Tech for All for Xiaomi. Been such a pleasure and hope to see you soon. Bye!